if small m and capital M are the least and the greatest value of cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, cos inverse x whole square plus sin inverse x whole square, then what is the value of m capital M by small m? So let's consider to be f of x cos inverse x whole square plus sin inverse x whole square. Since we know a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, so we can write this as a cos inverse x plus sin inverse x whole square minus 2 times of cos inverse x into sin inverse x, and also we know that cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2, so we can use here pi by 2 whole square minus 2 times of also cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So let us substitute here pi by 2 minus sin inverse x into sin inverse x. So on simplifying, so which implies pi square by 4 minus pi sin inverse x, and here it comes 2 times of sin inverse x whole square, and this can also be written by taking 2 common in these two terms, sin inverse x whole square minus pi by 2 sin inverse x plus pi square by 4, so which implies which is equal to 2 times of, I want to use like a minus b whole square formula, so I can write this as sin inverse x whole square minus 2 into sin inverse x into pi by 4. So adding pi by 4 whole square and subtracting pi by 4 whole square, that is pi square by 16 plus pi square by 4. So we'll be getting 2 times of sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square minus 2 times of pi square by 16 plus pi square by 4, which equals to 2 times of sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square minus pi square by 8, this is plus 2 pi square by 8, so which equals to 2 times of sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square, and this is 2 minus 1 pi square by 8 we can take, and this is your f of x. For least value, so we consider sin inverse x should be equal to pi by 4. So which implies the least value m is equal to 2 times of 0 plus pi square by 8, so which is equal to pi square by 8. For maximum value, so we consider sin inverse x should be equal to minus 1, that is minus pi by 2, so x is equal to minus pi by 2, so capital M is equal to 2 times of minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is minus 3 pi by 4 whole square plus pi square by 8, which equals to 2 times of this is 9 pi square by 16, and 2 times it comes here 9 pi square by 8 plus pi square by 8, which is equal to 10 times pi square by 8, this is capital M, and small m is equal to pi square by 8, and we need the ratio of m upon m. So m upon m is equal to 10 pi square by 8 divided by 1 times of pi square by 8. So pi square by 8 can cancel. So answer is 10. So we can go with an option 1.